I cannot speak French.
Je ne parle pas français.
For those of you who haven't met me, I'm Emily Cooper, and I'm so excited to be here in Paris.
Do you have any friends in Paris?
No.
I know that you all aren't that happy to have me here, and my French could use some work.
I'm going to be working in this office.
Je vais travailler dans ce bureau.
A little bit.
Okay, it's basically married.
Well, that's very unfortunate that you don't speak French. It's a problem.
Madame, the shower in my apartment just stopped working. Poof, just like that. There's no more water.
Shower. Can you come see?
Je comprends pas. You've used what, when, where, and for how long?
What is she saying?
Really unfortunately does not speak French.
Well done, Emily.
Well, I'm going to take a class.
J'aime Paris.
Je parle un peu français already.
Well, perhaps it's better not to try.
I feel like Alice through the looking glass. I'll never learn the language or understand anything here.
I am très excitée to be here.
Excité does not mean excited. It means horny.
Oh, well, not that then.
Your language is seriously effed up.
Va te faire foutre.
You lost me a bonjour.
C'est la vie.
French is such a funny language.
Not anymore, but my French has gotten très better.
Actually, you have. Your memory is astonishing.
Kir Royal.
Oh, Emily, you're getting more French by the day.
Gabrielle m'a beaucoup parlé de vous. Ça me fait très plaisir de vous rencontrer.
Emily.
What? I'm learning.
Emily! Emily! Come join us. Come.
Well done, Emily. Well, I guess the new chapter at Savoir has begun.